Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Its color's name. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Yellow color, yellow color. Green color, green color. Red color, red color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we draw A. A is for apple. A is for aeroplane. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B is for ball. B is for bus. It's night a C. C is for cat. C is for car. And again use blue color. Kids, night or D. D is for dog. D is for doll. And use yellow color. Yellow color. E. E is for egg. E is for elephant. Kids, again use yellow color and draw F. F is for fish. F is for fan. Kids, now draw G. G is for God. G is for grapes. And use black color. Black color. H. H is for hen. H is for helicopter. Kids, I can use black color and draw I. I is for ice. I is for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J is for joker. J is for jackfruit. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. K. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw L. L is for lion. L is for lemon. Kids, now draw M. M is for moon. M is for mango. And use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw N. N is for nose. N is for nest. Kids, now draw O. O is for orange. O is for octopus. And use red color. Red color. The alphabets of O. Kids, again use red color and draw P. P is for parrot. P is for penguin. Kids, now draw Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Kids, now draw R. R is for rose. R is for rat. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw S. S is for sun. S is for snake. Kids, now draw T. T is for teacher. T is for tiger. Kids, now draw U. U is for umbrella. U is for uncle. And use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw V. V is for van. V is for vanilla. Kids now draw W. W is for wolf. W is for watch. Kids now draw X. X is for X-ray. X is for xylophone. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. Kids now draw Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Kids now draw numbers. And first I draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. O and E1. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 2. T W or 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4. And use green color. Green color. F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5. F I V E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7. And use red color. Red color. S E V E and 7. 8. E I G H T 8. Kids again use red color and draw 9. N I N E 9. Kids now draw 10. The numbers of 10. T E and 10. Kids today draw A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.